Today we are going to practice the letter I. Repeat after me. I itch it. Okay. We are going to start at the plain line for the letter I, and we're going to go straight down to the grass line. And then we are going to add a dot. So again, plain line to grass line, pick up your pencil, add a dot. Notice where I'm adding the dot. The dot is right above the plain line. It's not touching the plain line. It's not connected to the line we just wrote. It's just hovering above the plain line. Again, start at the plain line, down to the grass line, and then add our dot. So do that all the way across that first line. Then we have our starting dot. Again, it's at the plain line, straight down to the grass line, add your dot. Plain line to grass line, add the dot. So do that for each starting dot, all the way across the line. And then you have that blank line. Don't forget about it. This is where you show that you can do it on your own. Starting at the plain line, straight down to the grass line, add your dot. We're going to try for at least 7. You could probably add more since the letter I does not take up that much space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to circle the one that I thought I did the best on. I'm going to go with my last one. I'm pretty proud of that one. Okay, repeat after me again. I itch it. Good. On the next page, we're going to color the objects that begin with I. This does not have to start with the I, short I sound. It just has to start with the letter I. So our first one is an ice cube. Does that start with I? If it does, color it in. Second one is an ice cream cone. If it starts with I, color it in. Your third picture, cherries. Does it start with I? And then your last one is a mitten. If it starts with an I, color it in. Okay, then we have our tracing again, starting at the plain line, dot your I. Make sure that is a straight line from the plain line all the way down to the grass line. Getting your practice all the way across. Then we have our starting dots at the plain line again, straight down to the grass line. Don't forget to dot your I. Trying to use your neatest handwriting. Again, we're starting at the plain line and going down to the grass line. I know some friends like to start at the grass line and go up. No, no, no. Start at the plain line and go down to the grass line. Then add your dot at the top. Now that dot was really high. Let's see if I can do better. Yeah, I bet I could draw a straighter line. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do one more. Ooh, that one is nice. I'm going to circle it because that's my best one. Oops. Then we have a sentence to trace. Here we have capital I starting at the skyline going down. Line across the top and bottom. Don't forget the finger space. I, and then L, I, K, E. I like, space. I, C, E, ice, space. C, R, E, A, M, period. I like ice cream. Then write the sentence on your own on this blank line. Don't forget those finger spaces. Now we're really focusing on the eyes since that's what we're practicing. but I'm going to try my best on the other letters as well. And the period at the end. I like ice cream. When you're done with that, you are done with practicing the letter I.